I don't know if you remember me, but do you have time to maybe, meet up and touch base about, talk about life maybe and catch up, just... No, I don't know. Don't be asking me no more. I just close my door, put the do not disturb on. Don't you get too close, you know I'm an animal. Don't wanna stay too long, I just get this shit to go. Slow-mo when I move, so I do not lose control. Low-mo camera, every time I fuck your hoe. Airbnbs now, start to feel like second home. She on my dick now, this is just a second song. Acting like a hooligan, I swear I think I'm fucking losing. Friend, somebody called me up and told me I'ma meet the president. I said okay, then I proceed to leave my friends and every citizen and everybody where I'm living it. Hey, yes Lord, bought some Bitcoins, about to buy some more. She a vegan eating sirloins, can't commit to none. I ain't Google, I don't give no answers, got the firewall. They keep asking me about some things that they already know. I say no, I don't know. Don't be asking me no more. I just close my door, put the do not disturb on. Don't you get too close, you know I'm an animal. Don't wanna stay too long, I just get this shit to go. Slow-mo when I move, so I do not lose control. Low-mo camera, every time I fuck your hoe. Airbnbs now, start to feel like second home. She on my dick now, this is just a second song. Back in my hometown, got me feeling extra strong.